Hey guys, welcome to Rasna Package. Today we're going to unbox boAt speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Okay, just quickly let's do unbox. If you still not subscribed Rasna Package channel, please subscribe Rasna Package channel and hit the bell icon and come, let's see. Bag is so nice. So this is boAt Stone 650. It is 10 watt Bluetooth speaker. You can see Bluetooth. It is latest Bluetooth chip like V5.0 integrated multi-control function. So you have a aux cable function and you have a power pack. HD immersive audio. Okay, what's that? We have to check it out. And the charging time will be 7 hours play time, and the battery is 1800 mAh battery. And you can see it has a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset and integrated multi-function control, and also it is water resistant IPX5, and it's not waterproof, it's just a resistance. So the box is so classy. So we're going to do the unboxing just now. Okay. Wow. So guys, you get the warranty card here. It's the boAt warranty card and playback buttons. So this is the speaker. Wow, the box is very nice, really nice. Oh, the speaker is quite heavy. See here, you have a mount pad. You can mount it in a tripod. And this is the power button and plus minus button and the play button and forward and reverse button. So this area is completely waterproof. So water resistant. So they given silicone casing and micro USB charger, and you can put your micro SD card, and this is aux slot. So this is the one, and you have mic here, built-in mic here. So it is also, you can attend the call, and here it is so silicone. It just is silicone, and I have a nice passive. The mesh is so nice, looks very nice. So guys, this looks so quite heavy, but it's so nice and easy and compact. And you can see it has two speakers on both sides, and also it is each speaker has a it's a 5 watt, so it is 10 watt speaker. Let's see how it's going to work. So I was paired. The device is now paired. Music is on. has nice vibration. The vibration is not in the floor. The vibration coming from here, it's the bass. The bass is very nice and this is steady. It's nice for outdoor party. It's very nice. And the price is very cheap. It is around 1,700. But yeah, it's a good speaker. You should go for it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and motivate me. I come with different gadgets in different location next time. Until then, signing out. Bye.